Hello everyone and welcome to another Bitcoin market analysis. Actually the last one for this week because it's Friday. Tomorrow live stream where you can place your questions. For all of you who are using Twitch, I will activate Twitch tomorrow as well, so you can check my stream tomorrow on Twitch as well. Well, let us talk about the market, right? It's actually not surprising me, as you know, since yesterday, even I'm still expecting 31,400, but the market reacted extremely weak at 30,400, so I was expecting such kind. However, 30K was for me the key level because we still have that huge gamma put wall. And yeah, when assume we had our breakout there, I just shorted the whole thing. And but to be honest, I will wait a little bit because everything is triggered by DXY, as mentioned yesterday in the last few days. I don't know why people have started to tell that DXY is going to hell. Um, it wasn't. I don't know. However, doesn't matter. I just said it's going to bounce, it's going to go up very hard, and in my opinion, we are going to visit 105 and retest there, and even go a little bit higher, and that will bring a lot of sell pressure to Bitcoin and to SPY, SPX. So let us talk about the weights ratio first. Well, first of all, let me check. Yeah, I'm still missing such kind of move. Really, a weights ratio dump in 1 hour ratio resolution. Something that's not happening. And yeah, we can see that the weights ratio was actually lifting up, then declining, and now it's happening again. And the weights ratio 30 hours moving average is indicating something like exactly the same, I would say. It's lifting up at the moment. So indicating that weights are sending more and more bitcoins to exchange or something. I can show here as well. Oh, let me see. That's here. That's just spot market, spot exchanges. Okay, not derivatives. And you can see we had just May 16th 1,120,000 bitcoins, and now we have 1,153,000 bitcoins. So we still have 33,000 bitcoins more than just a few days ago. And that's indicating they have accumulated, like I have warned in my recent analysis, they were accumulating and preparing something big. However, I don't think that's 30,400. It is. It is everything. I mean, it looks very weak, their reaction, but I still think maybe after the Wall Street session, we will go up and retest 31,400, and then we need to see how the market will react. I'm expecting a very weak reaction. That's where I will short. Um, yeah, with at 31,400 or 31,300 or something. We need to see. We will have some time because I guess they wanted to distribute there. We had the POC there, and that means we will find some liquidity there as well. So it makes sense to go up to distribute there and then dump afterwards again. We need to see because I mean, stablecoin reserves on exchanges, it maintains actually that level here. It's not rising much more. And I have detected some bigger outflows from Binance again. And while the supply is lifting up, um, it's not the. I think we need to see that CryptoQuant is going to refresh the data because Bitfinex sent again to Treasury, to Tether Treasury, another 600 million US dollars just to redeem. So that should, yeah, go down again a little bit. However, USDC looks they're making some market cap gain against of Tether. So maybe what we are seeing at the moment, it's something like a transition from Tether to USDC. That's at the moment just a theory. However, yeah, wealth ratio back to topic, 86 too high, 90 and the 30 hours moving average just too high, and we need to see what's going to happen there. But yeah, let us take a look to the flows. So let us talk about flow activity, Bitcoin inflows and stablecoin inflows. No, it didn't change a lot because let us zoom in. We have today the 20th. We have received a lot of Bitcoin, 8,500 here, another 2,000 here, here 7,000, another 3,500, another 4,000 just in the last few hours. So they accumulated enough dump ammo. And yeah, I have warned about that because many people, I don't know, it's so trivial. They think so trivial. They think that's an accumulation pattern. It depends who is accumulating. Maybe they are right. But a combination of sideways run, quick accumulation, and you see even then inflows coming in. That's not accumulation. I mean that's nonsense to tell them that's accumulation. It's not. Institutionals love to accumulate. They love to accumulate big, then it takes big, it means big volume, or if they want, I mean, big volume, they can quick accumulate big volume only if they generated some fear before, because retailers will push the price down, selling in panic, and they can buy. Something it's not going to happen because we don't have any retailers left in the market. Well, some retailers, of course, but not the masses anymore. So for them at the moment, it doesn't make sense to do that. What we see is they are pushing the price. They are pushing the price down and buying their quick accumulation, go up a little bit, sell again, dump. So quick accumulation again, another sideways run, dump. Okay, so that's why I always have warned we need to be very careful with that pattern because if institutionals and FTX, I don't know what happened to FTX since last year. I just know that Sam had some meetings with the Goldman CEO, and I know how Goldman loves to trade. So yeah, it looks, it smells like institutional playing here, and we need to see what's going to happen next. They will surprise us. Uh, yeah, we need to be very careful. So check all this data if you have access to that data, and always check that. Okay, sideways run. Do you notice quick accumulation? It's very easy. Just go check the CBD. If you see they are pushing, they are buying, the volume delta is mostly positive, indicating they are buying more than selling, and that a very short-term period of time, and then you see some inflows coming to exchanges, big ones with a rising whales ratio, indicating whales are sending these funds. Then, at least then, your yeah, you should consider that move as a possible dump preparation. Okay, that's what I do. So yeah, we received a lot, as you can see. Not really big stablecoin inflows happened. I mean, yeah, we had here almost 500 million, but at the same time 550 million outflows. So, and since then, that's it. I mean, I really don't see any big stablecoins inflows that could indicate that these guys are going to buy all of these bitcoins. At the moment, I can see that. Okay, you see that net flow here as well. So we need to be very careful. So futures. Let us zoom in again and let us see. Funding rate right now. Right now, I would say neutral, but it was lifting up. I think they are liquidating some people. Um, we can see also here. Let me set it up. Okay, we can see here. Uh, wow, that's big. 160 million inflows, but 500 million outflows. And you can see it's almost red. It's just a little bit of green and nothing big. Also to bitcoins related to derivative exchanges. Yeah, well, we have more, but no big volume. 1,000. The biggest one was here in the morning, 1,800. So that's it. That's really not, that's nothing. That's not bullish at all. Uh, Open interest, as mentioned, they longed, and they are liquidating them. Many of them are closing it, it seems, and that's why the open interest is declining, and leverage ratio as well, of course. So, yeah, let me see what happened to the leverage ratio. Let me close that one. Oh no, the leverage ratio is up. Ooh, okay, that's crazy. That's really crazy. Well, I don't know why the people are playing such, yeah, in such way, to be honest. Let me check here. We had a lot of shorts. It seems they closed them. I don't know. They took profit or something. We still have more longs than shorts. We had 1.2 billion just a few hours ago. So it declined by 30 million. Longs on Bitfinex declined. Shorts, it's a joke. I don't care about that. Also longs here more than shorts and even here. Okay, so they are still too bullish. They are still expecting the price will go up. To be honest, me too a little bit. So I think we could maybe retest 28.5, but I don't know. I'm still convinced that we will see 31.4 just because of some exchange walls and so on. Well, what should I see? I say here, look that. Again. I mean, the volume declined a lot, but still, low leverage longs. Yeah, well, that's just too much. And people are still too bullish. Too bullish. So if they want such kind of capitulation or something, it seems they need to push the price more down. So, yeah, we will see. Well, I have tweeted about that, and yeah, I nailed it. Even yeah, I don't like to celebrate myself, but I was waiting actually because we got rejected here, here, and here, and I just wanted to see if we have a breakout here. It did it very well. It had a breakout, lifted up to retest, failed, and then down. And that was the situation almost at 30K where I placed my short. And yeah, so right now we need to see what's going to happen next. But I think, yeah, we need to see. FTX, semi shorting like hell. Okay, but the whole thing was a big construction just to maintain the price and then go down. Even it was triggered by DXY. So we can take a look here as well to our lovely market makers, and you can see these guys are still not accumulating, not buying. And even these guys here declined, and these guys did nothing. Declined, lifted up a little bit, but that's it. So, and if we go and check here, we can see that market makers sent 2,200 Bitcoin just close before we started to dump, but as you can see, also the other guys sent. And if we disable the other guys, that's a nice preparation, a very nice preparation. Okay, so yeah, you can see here, I mean, that was, wow, 8,000 Bitcoin. It matches very well to the inflows we have detected just yesterday, where I said, wow, 8,000 Bitcoin when we reached 30K. I mean, that was an indicator that these guys are planning something, and then just got rejected at 30,500 three times. Yeah, the consequence is just a dump. Okay, so, but however, it matches very well. If we go to DXY, we can see that these guys, and that's in my opinion why the market is reacting a little bit nervous. They got rejected. Oops, change color. They got rejected here. Okay, they got rejected here. Then they did something, a double bottom or something. So and now it's retesting, and in my opinion, it's going to make that here. Maybe it makes another one, but then up. And this up will bring and push SPY and Bitcoin even more down. The question is, we still have some hours of Wall Street session. We will see. We will see how far Bitcoin will bring us. But just to complete the whole picture, let us take a look to the exchange walls. So, exchange walls. Let us take a look. Is that interesting? Look what Coinbase is doing there. They started to push the price or to limiting the price. Yeah, it looks like spoofing or something. However, also here 31,500. You will see 31,400, 31,500. You will hear that several times now because, yeah, like 25, it's a very accurate level, it seems. Deribit, still look there, they reinforce that. That's huge. That's really big. And here as well. So below of 25 and above of 33. Bitstamp. Okay, the open 33, but they are here 25.5. Binance, nothing up, almost nothing up. I mean, they have some here, but 120, 150 Bitcoin. If we check here, 300, 400, doesn't look like, I don't know, not that cool. Also here, the biggest one at 25. 25, 25, 25. and below. The next one, 23. Bitmax spoofing, but that's it. Yeah, well, I mean, 23, 25, 26, 5, 20. FTX perp. Also here you see at 32, but a lot of activity here and below of 25. Ah, Jesus. Kraken. Okay, also very interesting. Yeah, 26 between 26 and 25.5. They opened here at 34. Bybit. Bitmax. That's nothing. Limiting at 25. Let us see Binance futures at the end. Bitfinex futures. A lot of different, yeah, they start again to make this kind of, look that here. That's amazing. Oops. Kraken futures. FTX spot. 22,200. 25,600. And limiting now at 28,200. Not big, but they, I don't know why they stopped and they have started again. Maybe they were expecting such move before or something, I don't know. Binance futures. Look what they did. They were really, and that was another, I mean, Binance futures is so, sometimes so accurate. We still have here 31,500, a wall, not a big one, but usually they should, I mean, 400 Bitcoin, but as soon we go up, they should reinforce this wall, but they stopped at 30,900 now. Okay, so you can see it wasn't it was just part of the plan, just to move here and then to let it go down. They also 28, they are, it seems, limiting the way down. So we need to see, but 28 could be the local bottom at the moment and then go up again, or we'll go up from here because we have support here, so we need to see. Let us talk about my personal conclusion.